This is a video lesson on how to play the chords on guitar for All Star. Okay, so the song is divided into 3 lines, and the first section, the verse, the introduction and the verse are the first line of your chart. Okay, and the chorus and the bridge are the second and third lines. So over here is your verse, which I'm going to talk about first. Then there is the part of the chorus and the bridge that repeat itself 3 times. And then there's this that's played once. So this is repeated many, many times. And we'll work on getting that together later. Right now it's just the basics of how the chords change from one to another. And in this part you play 1, 2, 3, and then 4. If you want to know the speed of the song that they recommend, that is up here where it says tempo, and you would turn on a metronome to 104 beats per minute. This tells you all the chords that are in the song. The videos on how to form each chord have already been attached to your band page. So the first chord in the song is G. Okay, and hopefully by now you know how to find it. So here's G. Okay, and then the second chord is D. So to get from G to D, hold on, let me change my angle a little. Okay, so here's your G. What you're going to do is you're going to bring your first finger, your second finger, and your third finger into place. And then D. And to get from D to A minor, what I do is I just put my 2 fingers down, and then this one. And then we're going to find C. Okay, so that is the introduction and the verse. So again, G. And you can use the stickers on your keyboard, on your fretboard, if you have them from the school. See, they're here. So G. First finger moves over to 3rd string, and then put down your other fingers for D. Then I'm going to put down my 2 middle fingers on the 2nd fret on the 3rd and 4th string, and put my first finger down for A minor. And then I'm going to move over my 2nd and 3rd fingers and my first to C. Now they have in the chart, and I should have just left this shut, they have written these slashes. So for each of these slashes you do a strum. So 2 times G, 2 times D, 2 times A, 2 times C. In the beginning you do it just once, and then you do it 2 times. So G, D, and A minor, and C. And then back to G, D, A minor, C. And then later on we can talk about rhythm. And actually the song da na 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 na. So you can also play it like that. Okay, now sorry, I have on my screen. The chorus and the bridge. This is where the chords get kind of difficult. And I believe the lesson that I gave for C#5 may have been different than what's in. I'm going to demonstrate here simply because, of what's on the page. Okay, so we've got G. And I start C major by putting my 3rd finger across from this 3rd fret string to this one, so from the 1st to the 5th, and then the other fingers just kind of find their place. Okay, the next chord is C#5, and this one is really tricky. What you need to do is take your first finger, put it on the 5th string, and then you're going to put it 1 fret higher than this finger onto the 4th fret. And then you're going to take your 3rd and 4th fingers and put them on strings 3 and 4, 2 frets higher on the 6th fret. And you only play those 3 strings. you to get back down to C again. So you're gonna put that third finger on the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Okay? And then the other fingers fall into place. And then we go back to G. 2nd finger goes next to that 3rd finger, and the rest falls into place. Okay? Then 3rd finger next to 2nd. Okay, 1st finger across to the 4th fret. And then 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. Okay, and you do that 3 times. I'm not too good at it yet either. Whoops. I will get better as you do. So you gotta remember to be on 3, 4, and 5, not 4, 5, and 6. Okay, that's 3 times. And then your last 3 chords is the G. And then you're going to take your 1st finger, flatten it out on the 1st fret, and add your 3rd and 4th on the 3rd fret of the 4th and 5th string, and your 2nd finger on the string next to that. Or you can do this, and then make the C chord, but 1 string closer to the floor, with this finger on 2 strings, and then C. So it's G, F, and then C. Or G, F, and then C. Okay, so it's bad teacher. Okay. So it's 2 times. C, C sharp, C, G, C, C sharp, C, one more time, G, C, C sharp, C, G, F, C. Okay, so if I was going to play that song for you, it would sound... No, I can't do it right now for you. Okay, so we can, well, eventually I'll make you a recording to go with this. Da, da, na, 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 na. All right, have fun, and I'll see you in class.